Are you looking for an affordable accommodations here in Siargao Island for less than 1,000 pesos or even 500 pesos per night? I've got you covered. Morning.
One of the oldest resort here in Siargao. So if you can see, if you can visit here in our resort, we're actually facing the famous Guam Island here in Siargao.
Yan.
Ayan yung mga magaganda. Oh, mahihain yung sa... If you're a solo backpacker, a vlogger like me, part of a group, a couple, or a family looking to explore the beauty of Siargao on a budget, this video is for you. I've scouted accommodations from General Luna to Cloud9, and here are some budget-friendly places to stay. First on our list is Casa Kaya, conveniently located at 8419 Tourism Road, General Luna, Siargao Island, Surigao del Norte. And guys, good morning, no? First, I'm going to show you the accommodation where I've stayed for 3 days. So ito yung Tourism Road. Ito din yung way papunta dun sa Cloud9. Andito lahat yung nightlife pagdating ng gabi. So ito yung papasok dun sa accommodation natin. The name of our accommodation is Casa Kaya Hostel. Ayan. Kaya lang, itong papasok na to, pag umuulan, medyo may tubig sa area na to. Itong kalsada. Ito na mismo yung accommodation natin. At it comprises up to 3rd floor.
So ano to? Binago nila to?
Unahin muna natin yung pinaka 3rd floor nila para makita nyo kung ano yung itsura. Okay. And guys, nakikita nyo naman, no? As you can see, overlooking yung kalsada dito. Pwede kayong umupo dito. Yan, pwede rin kayong kumain, may mesa, may upuan. So may mga rooms din dito, no? Yan, at mayroon din pa dun sa taas para mga sampayan ng mga damit. So pupuntahan na natin yung room natin at ipakita ko sa inyo kung anong itsura ng room. So when we stayed here, we booked for the dormitory type that cost 499 pesos per day. Ayan. So ito yung room namin. Ayan, take note guys ha. Naka-aircon na ito. Ayan. Okay, so dito common yung shower room. So this is the shower room guys. Spacious naman siya. And dito naman sa kabila, andito yung comfort room. So medyo hindi lang nalinisan kasi may mga kasamahan din ako dito na gumagamit ng comfort room. Okay? So, kung dito kayo magstay, meron kang comfy na kutsyon. Tapos dito naman, ito yung switch ng ilaw. Okay? Meron kang saksakan na pwede kang mag-charge ng mga gadgets. Meron silang tinatawag na yan, guest amenity kit. Ang laman nito is may toothpaste, may maliit na sabon, at may toothbrush. So guys, ito yung mga stuff dito sa...
Yan.
Ayan yung mga magaganda. Oh, mahihain yung sa...
Sa king room po, 299. Queen room, 1599. And sa dorm room po, 499 per person po.
Okay, so yung king room is good for how many packs?
2 packs po.
Same sa queen room. Okay. So, halimbawa kung mag-additional sila,
May, pag mag-extra bed po sila, plus
500. Okay. WhatsApp yan ha?
Opo, what's up? 0962-7705-493.
Ayun guys, so yun yung WhatsApp number nila. Kontakin nyo sila no in case na gusto nyo magpa-reserve. Lalo na ngayon, malapit na yung peak season natin this summer. Sigurado maraming magbubuk dito. So kailangan kontakin nyo sila in advance para makapag-reserve na kayo. Okay. Thank you. Now I hear you. Looking for a budget accommodation but want a private solo room, especially if you're with a partner and need privacy. Next on our list is Bed and Bank Siargao, a budget-friendly hostel in General Luna, just a 5-minute walk from the beach. Rates start at 650 pesos for solo travelers and include air-conditioned rooms, fast Wi-Fi, hot showers, and a shared kitchen. It's perfect for surfers and digital nomads, offering a quiet and convenient base close to top attractions. Guys, andito na tayo ngayon sa Purokpur at we are going to visit this Bed and Bank Siargao. So I'm going to show you how this place looks like. So ito yung Bed and Bank Siargao. So mayroong kusina dito no na pwede kayong magluto. May mga plato na available. And this is the comfort room at shower room namin at the same time. So sorry talaga at wala silang bakantong room ngayon. So ito yung mga rooms, air conditioned rooms. So meron din dun sa taas. This next accommodation puts you right in the heart of the surfing action at Cloud9. If you love surfing, this budget-friendly place is perfect for you. I'm talking about Dormitels.ph. So ito yung way no, papasok dito sa Dormitel.ph. Ito yung kulay ng building nila. Yan. May barbershop. At dito sa loob, yung kanilang reception area. Yan guys, may nakapangalan. Dormitels.ph Cloud9. Ayan guys, so ito yung Dormitel.ph. So ito guys, no, bunk bed siya. Ayan, tingnan nyo naman.
Oh, gapa na niya, sir.
Kutsyon. Tapos may mga kortina. Naka-aircon naman siya guys. Sabi ni Kuya, mayroon naman daw wifi, kaya lang hindi ganun kalakasan kung dito sa loob. Pwede ko makita yung CR, Kuya? So ito yung shared na na comfort room. May kasama ng shower. So dalawa yung comfort room nila dito. So So ang kagandahan nito guys, malapit lang siya sa may Cloud9 surfing area. Sa taas, dormitory din yan.
Opo. Ano po yun? Private rooms.
Private rooms na sa taas. Okay. Magkano yung pinakamura nyo sa private rooms?
Ngayon po, 1, 2.
1, 2. Solo na yun.
Half.
Okay, so
Pula po yun.
good for two na. Okay, so kung dalawa kayong magkaibigan, hati kayo. 600 for 1,200 pesos. Dito yan sa Dormitel PH
0962
0962
38
38
16
16
175.
175. So guys, yun yung contact number dito sa Dormitel PH.
Last but not the least, my favorite accommodation, classy yet affordable, Patrick's on the Beach. Also located in General Luna, it boasts a beautiful beachfront setting.
So guys, ito yung tourism road. Yung kung saan tayo nagstay, dyan sa Kaya. Dito lang din, just opposite of this road. Ito yung pangalan niya, Patrick's on the Beach. Mayroon silang restaurant din dito sa loob. Pagpasok mo, malaki yung kalsada. See? You can park your car here inside. They have a decent parking space. And if you have a motorcycle, this is where you can park your motorcycle. The motorbike parking area. So dyan tayo sa taas nag-stay.
Hello everyone, I am Luis. I work here in Patrick's on the Beach. So this is our oasis. Welcome to the island. Patrick on the Beach actually a resort that is operating for 25 years, one of the oldest resort here in Siargao. So if you can see, if you can visit here in our resort, we're actually facing the famous Guam Island here in Siargao. That if you want to go to like some island hopping, that island is one of the islands that you're gonna visit. And luckily we are facing on that resort, and in our resort we're like an oasis here. It's like an oasis under the oasis. The theme of this resort is that we don't want to be modern. We want to like make it like very natural. It's like connecting the earth to the heaven and the soul. So that's why we do not cut the trees here, and everything is just so natural. Our rooms here can actually accommodate the minimum is actually 2 to 16. We have almost 30 rooms here that can accommodate at least almost 200 people at the same time. The lowest price is 4,450. That is good for 2 with breakfast, and all the cottages are actually facing the ocean. And our most expensive villa here, it costs 18,000 per night. It includes a private loan area, gated property, fully equipped kitchen, a villa that can accommodate 7 to 10 heads. You have your own washer there, and yes, it plays at the front of the ocean. Also, if you go here in Patrick, we have our own restaurant. We serve Filipino food, German, American, and Australian food, and we are located here in the heart of General Luna, which is very close to everything, close to the club, close to all the necessary buildings that you want to go. If you want to visit Patrick's, we have free Wi-Fi for the guests. Of course, we have the restaurant. You can actually play some games here. We have water sports, kayak, paddle. You can also rent a surfing board, and we have a naturally formed ocean pool here. Also, we also want to introduce you that we just opened. It was just like we opened it like 1 week ago. Our dormitory. It costs like at least 500 per night, so it's very affordable for the backpackers, or like you just want to have a short visit here in Siargao. You can inquire on us. Our dormitory is just 500 per night, and we have a very large terrace. You have your own kitchen, study area, and an outside living room, an outside open living area.
That's it, guys. If you've been to Siargao and know of other affordable accommodations, please share them in the comments below. This way, we can help fellow travelers find budget-friendly stays on the beautiful island of Siargao, also known as the surfing capital of the Philippines. Thank you so much for watching and see you on our next adventure.